Welcome to the digital era where smart factories and innovative tools are transforming the way we work. Did you know that utilizing untapped human potential can double your productivity? Lean methodologies, particularly Kaizen, is a proven way to achieve this. But traditional Kaizen methods can be cumbersome and time-consuming. Let's tap into everyone's creativity with NEBULA Digital Kaizen Management System. Have a brilliant idea? Recording a Kaizen has never been easier. With our intuitive interface, you can submit your innovative ideas in just a few clicks. Simple, fast, and effective. Your ideas are now just a click away from making a big impact. Managers can review Kaizens anytime, anywhere. Our platform allows for seamless remote access, ensuring that great ideas are never delayed. Clear, constructive feedback helps ideas grow and evolve. Our platform fosters a collaborative environment for continuous improvement. Our simple, powerful rating system makes it easy for managers to recognize and reward outstanding ideas. Just a few clicks to show your appreciation. NEBULA is the digital Kaizen management system that empowers everyone. NEBULA streamlines the continuous improvement process, recording, reviewing, rewarding, and reporting, all in one place. NEBULA is scalable and can be applied across your entire organization, transforming how you approach continuous improvement. Reduce your lean team's administrative burden by 50% and boost employee engagement by another 50%. NEBULA, ideal for lean and continuous improvement teams. Unleash the power of continuous improvement with NEBULA. Visit our website to learn more.